Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw another shape of Autocad practice series for the beginner students. So let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw this shape in Autocad. So here we are first circle and the radius is 10 units and our second circle has the diameter of 69 units, and here small circles have the diameter of 6 units. So we draw this first circle have the radius of 10 units. And the second circle has the diameter of 69 units. For diameter, type D and enter, and 69 units. Now we draw this small circle and the diameter is 6 units. Now we have this circle which have the diameter of 16 units. And we have this circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And to draw other circles we use array, polar array and close array. So in this way we draw all of our circles. Now we need to draw this circle which has the radius of 20 units, and for that we select the 10 radius, select this circle and give the radius 20 units like this. So in this way we make all of these circles. Now we trim the extra lines, TR double enter. So we see the shape, and here we trim this circle also, TR double enter. This is array, and first we explode it, and for explode type X and enter. Now TR double enter and trim it. So delete the extra circles. Like this. So in this way we complete our shape. Now we check the dimensions also. Six units diameter, 16 unit diameter, and now we have the radius of 20 units. like this. So in this way we complete our shape. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.